The purpose of this hackathon is to get us all more familiar with building on Viam.
The emphasis here is on exploration, really getting your hands dirty with the platform that you yourself make.
Whoa.
This definitely allows us to put ourselves back in the shoes of someone coming to Viam for the first time.
Like if you run into rough edges in your own product, you're gonna feel that and be like, oh, I want it to have this feature.
Viam is a full-scale platform for building robotics applications. It is the type of platform on which you can build a robotics company.
This is just a 3D visualization of the world we're in. This is also all in the Viam app.
Nothing else in the robotics ecosystem does what Viam does.
What's cool is that Viam takes a lot of the math out of it. You don't have to do a lot of equations yourself. Our motion planning does that for you.
The difficulty in our system comes not from motion planning or kinematics, which is obviously very difficult, but from machine learning.
So if I put the drill into the frame that the camera is looking at, and you can see it saying cordless drill.
Viam has this option for you to take pictures on your phone and upload them into a data set immediately, train the model, and know his model works. And that didn't exist 24 hours ago. I just want to make that clear.
We are trying to build person detection and gesture detection so that the dog can identify you and wave back at you when you wave.
I have been really impressed with how quickly we've been able to just connect some things together and get it actually working.
Yesterday we didn't have any of the motors moving any of the players, but today we can now move the different players separately. So I think the main thing is just fine-tuning it. Yay!
Blast off.
Sleuth, grab, move. Figured giving the robot the same tools that humans use for the salad would yield a better result. Yep. 17 grams of lettuce.
Trying to build from the bottom up in like a 3-day span presents different challenges.
Now we have common ground, like we can all talk about what it's like to build on the platform.
The uses are so varied. I never know what the next week will hold.
You don't really get the full impact of what Viam can do until you spend some time trying to develop a real robotics application for yourself.